My photograph's gone up on the wall. So, we'll see how we go. You know, we've experienced lockdown here where we've been in our house for, quite a few weeks, more so in Victoria. But just imagine during the war, when the air raids come, you had to go down into an air raid shelter. So this is a wee poem about that. The year was 1943. The time was midnight in the town of Dundee. The place, a shelter for air raids, where a family had been for the last 4 days. But never taken unaware, Mother had stored some tinned food there. And Father laughed and he daily scoffed, for the damp had taken all the labels off. So when it came to eating times, a can was chosen by Eeny, Meeny, Mines. Remember? Eeny, Meeny, Miny, Moe. But every can they chose provoked another dose of blues. You see, a dozen cans failed to please, for each unlabeled can contained green peas. Now, they were not the peas that were small in size with the garden flavour that satisfies. They were the great big king size soaked in brine, the great big stodgy Marva kind. And although Mother warned they might cause wind, Father consumed each and every tin. There was one tin left, what can it be? Let's leave little Willie for to see. Corned beef or spam going, what is it, Willie? Oh, Dad, it's morking peas. Well, the laughter seemed to fill the night, when a knock on the door gave them all a fright. Turn those lights way down low, this is wartime, don't you know? During a raid, you'll all sit tight and deadly quiet. Well, Father farted. What a belter! Nearly cracked the air raid shelter. And Mother stops him with her slipper, and Father retorts with another ripper. Little Willie, thinking this was all a game, tried his best to do the same. And while Mother raves and rants, little Willie shit his pants.